In this video, I'm going to show you Asemic writing. This is a paper that a lot of artists have been liking. It's a Euroscript style paper, and you can buy it in art supplies for about $5–6 a sheet. So I'm going to show you how to make this for pennies. You need some sort of gold paint, and I pretty much use my fabric paints. Tulip puff paint, metallic color. Then you will need a Sharpie or a Posca pen, one brush, some water, and a little dish. This is just yogurt container, like the lid of a yogurt container for your paint. So first we're going to fill up the paper with doodles, with the black doodles. So it's like M-M-M, M-M-M, M-M-M. You just relax your hand and let it dance. Depending on what thickness of marker you use, you will get different effects. You can also use just a regular pen, and it'll be a lot finer. Switch it up and go bigger. It doesn't have to be a certain way. All right. And you can make different marks. Then I'm going to dip my brush into a little bit of water and thin out the gold just a little bit. And then you just make little marks. So this is gold, and I want to try other colors too. So I'm going to go back into the water, and I'm going to do the copper next. That's this here. It's called Metallica Venetian Gold. Totally different look, isn't it? And then I want to try the chartreuse green. Oh, I like it. There is still some of the copper in it. I think it looks really cool. So depending on what kind of project you do, and you want some totally fun papers in it, make some of these and mix the color with the metallics.